Number 2 says, which pair of triangles must be similar? So we know that triangles need to add up to 180 degrees. Okay, that's a non-negotiable. For them to be similar, we know that they need to have all the same angles. Okay, so first option says triangles 1 and 2 each have 35-degree angle. Okay, so you know one of the 3 angles for each triangle. So that means if I take that away, what I have left is 145 degrees. The problem with this is that I could make that in a many different combinations. I could say, well, one could be 100, one could be 45. One could be 110, the other could be 35. One could be 90, and the other could be 55. Okay? Regardless, I have too many different combinations to guarantee to say, yep, I would put money on that they are for sure similar, their angles are for sure equal. So A is not a good option to choose. B, you've got triangles 3 and 4, they're both right angles. Well, we know that that means they both have a 90-degree angle. So that's one angle accounted for. Triangle 3 has a 40-degree, and triangle 4 has a 60-degree. Well, right now, if I add up 90, 40, and 60, I get 190 degrees. That is too big for a triangle. That's not going to work. Triangle 5 has a 30-degree angle and a 100-degree angle. So that triangle right now is at 130. They need a 50 to make sure that that's going to work. Well, triangle 6 has a 60 and a 70. Neither of these angles match these angles. So I already have 4 angles that don't match. A triangle has 3 angles, so I'm already out of luck. So that's not going to work either. Last one, I've got a 50 and a 25 in triangle 7. And then I've got a 50-degree angle and a 105-degree angle in triangle 8. Well, right now the 50-degree angles match, so that's one that accounts for. If I do 180 minus 50, I have 130 degrees left. If I do 130, take away 105 to account for this angle, then I'm down to 25 degrees. And that is what this angle is. So all 3 of my angles work together to make 180, and I could say 100% certain that these 2 angles are similar because they have the same angles. So you should have picked D. Let Miss Crew know if you have any questions.